This is a massive Kubota U17 excavator. One of our bigger units. Not really. But it is almost new. It's a 2021. My dad just loves driving this little thing. Look at him go. It's only got 114 original hours. Expandable tracks, quick coupler, auxiliary hydraulics. For the biggest and toughest of jobs, this is what you want. And we can rent it out with my dad on it. He loves digging holes. It's got expandable blade and expandable track. Scratch your back with it. Now, he might get dizzy and roll out of that thing onto the ground if he's not careful. I think he could do that all day long. Yeah, so that's a nice little 2021 Kubota U17 with 114 hours on it. Auxiliary hydraulics, expandable blade, expandable tracks. Comes with an operator. There you go.